Let me show you how to turn low quality audio into professional studio quality audio like this using AI. And also let me show you how to
change your voice using AI to somebody else.
And this is super useful, for example, if you just filmed a clip but forgot to turn on your microphone, or if you don't have a microphone in the first place, or if you don't want to use your audio, for example, if you're doing some screen recordings. And now I'm going to use this clip that I just filmed while I was walking to the office as my example here to showcase how powerful the AI actually is.
Because it's coming through the headset in this noisy environment.
Alrighty, so once you have recorded your clip or once you have recorded your video, it is time to go to Podcastle.ai, and you can find a free trial page link in the description of the video. And then once you have signed up, just click on New Project and choose Audio Project, because that's what we're going after here. And then here's where you can import your videos. So for example, here is a sample clip that I just recorded while walking outside. So just drag and drop the clip into the view, then hover over the audio clip, then click on the three dots, and then click on Magic Dust AI. And this starts to apply the AI effects on the audio. That is, it is going to improve the audio quality. And obviously you can apply all the other filters as well, so you can do noise reduction and audio leveling and silence removal as well. But the Magic Dust AI feature is the main one here because it is going to take your audio to a studio quality level. And once you have done this, you can listen through your clip by hitting space or hitting the play button here. And then once you're satisfied with the results, you can just click on export. And then you can choose the file format over here, and let's click on export again. And now just hit download to access the audio file. And there we have it. And now you can choose between two options. So the first one is that if the audio quality is already good enough and if you want to actually use this in your video, just open up a video editor and sync the audio with the video. So just an example, here I have opened up iMovie, which is a built-in video editor in Mac. So now what you can do here is you can drag and drop the original clip here. And then, for example, we can drag and drop the audio clip we just created here. And then I will just mute the original clip. And now if I hit play, the audio is synced with the original video.
Okay, so for example, here is a sample clip. So as you can hear, we have all the background noise.
That is pretty cool already. So you can clearly hear how well the audio clip has improved and how better the video looks or sounds like right now. But now if you do not want to use your own voice in your videos, for example, if you're doing screen shares or if, for example, this AI improved audio is still not good enough, then you can take it to a completely different level by using an AI audio changer. And to do that, you need to head over to this page called 11labs.io. And I have also left a link directly to the audio changer feature. But once you are here, just click on go to app. And then once you have signed up, click on voice changer here on the left hand side. And now you can drag and drop either the original video clip into this view, or if you want to, you can actually drag and drop the clip we just created using Podcastle, where the audio is already improved. You can drag and drop that clip into this view right over here. And then on the right hand side, you get to choose what options you want to tweak. So you can choose the voice. There are a couple of free voices, so Brian, Callum, and Alice. I'm going with Brian because I think it sounds the best to me. And for example, I am doing this in English, so let's just use the default 11 English model. Then you can tweak the stability and similarity settings if you want to. And I'm not going to touch the stability, but the similarity is something I want to be high because I basically want the AI to speak everything that I just spoke in the example clip, but in a different voice. And I don't want to change anything else except for the voice. So if there are any pauses, flaws, errors, that I make as I speak, I want to keep them all because I want to have it sound natural at the end of the day. And then once you have selected these settings over here, then just click on generate speech. And that's pretty handy. It actually only took like 5 seconds for the AI to change my voice. And make sure to play with the settings and the voices as long as you need until you find the best output out there. And once you're ready with the result, once you like the audio clip you just received, hit download. And it will download a file like this. And now, because this is an audio only clip, we actually want to sync it up with the video clip. And you can use basically any video editor out there. So as the first thing, I'm going to drag and drop the original video clip into the timeline. And then I will also drag and drop the audio clip that I just downloaded from 11 Labs to the timeline as well. And then I'm going to mute the original clip, and then I will hit space to start playing it out loud.
Let's actually see what we can do with AI to improve this clip while maintaining it as natural and as seamless as possible.
Let's actually see what we can do with AI to improve this clip while maintaining it as natural and as seamless as possible.